Good day, everyone. We are in Gweru, in a place called Lower Gweru, in Skombingo. I'm here to show you the problems that the people are facing in terms of water challenge here being experienced in this community. So this is an enclosed area. It was closed so that the livestock cannot tamper with this area inside here. This is where there are our water sources. This is where people drew their water from. So you realize that it's closed, and down there it's also closed, so that it can be easily manageable, and also so that they can be clean water can be maintained as well. So I'm going to get in with you as well to actually view the area, see how the water is, whether it's also sustainable. So I'll get in here. So inside here there are a number of wells which are there, which people use to draw water from, but due to climate change induced drought, most of the wells here have dried up due to the water table, which has gone very, very low. So this is one of the wells here. You can see it. The water is now very, very low. It's going low. This is take to another well. It's very shallow, but now the water is very, very low. Can view it, and also unclean to drink. There are also other wells here, but they've since totally dried up. So we can see there are people, community members, drawing some water. So we are left with the one well, which is supplying the community. So this well is supplying over 200 families around. Others have to walk for 8 to 10 kilometers in order to draw the water in this place. Let me take a look to this one as well. It's enclosed, but it has dried up. It has totally dried up. Let me take you to the one which is used now, the only one. There are a few people drawing water, so we can view elderly, children. So the well, you can see the water is not very, very dirty. Okay, so we will have one also interview with one of the community members here to hear what they have to say about the experiences of the water situation here. Let's have one interview. Hello, Mama.
Hello.
Linjani.
Ngiyaphila linjani?
What is your experience about the water problems in Skombingo here?
Lapha eSikombingo thina sithwele nzima ngamanzi, kasela amanzi sechile.
She is saying they are experiencing water challenges because the wells that she used to supply them is slowly drying up. Okay, can continue.
I-community yonke sisikha khonapha ngoba vela kusele enye indawo enamanzi.
Everyone, more than 200 families draw their water from this source, which is already drying up.
Abantu baphose balwe bangamanzi esipantshini sethu.
Sometimes people almost fight because of the scarce water.
Kulabantu abasuka endaweni 8 kilometers besuka eMangwane bezokha amanzi khonapha la abalamanzi okukha phakha khona.
Other people have to endure long distance up for about 8 kilometers in order to reach this place.
Sithwele nzima ngamanzi.
Okay, so yini awabona ngani ingasisiza to address inkinga yamanzi la.
Lokho kungasinceda nxa singathola umuntu ongasigcilela amanzi.
So
noma isibhorane angasinceda kakhulu ngoba sithwele nzima.
Okay, she is saying she recommends that if there is any help, they would want to have a bore drilled which can be at least draw water. Even if the water table is very low, it can manage the population as well and the livestock. Thanks very much.
Thank you.
So let's go and talk to one of the elderly men here whom I saw drawing water here. Hey baba, linjani?
Sikhona.
Akusitshele ngenkinga yamanzi lapha usuka kuphi uvuka esikhathi bani ayakwana yini amanzi lenkinga nje lihlangana lazo ngokushoda kwamanzi.
Amanzi ayasihlupha mina ngisuka khonapha elayinini kaSikombingo. Njalo ngivuke ngama-4:30 sizokwenza izivuno nenkomo futhi ndawonye khonapha.
So he is saying he had to wake up at 4:30 a.m. so that he can come and draw water here, because if you come late you might not find anything, and they have to scramble for the precious liquid with the livestock as well. Okay, ngaqhubeka.
Udubo lwethu sikhalela ukuthi ngabe inkulumenze iyangenela isenzele izibholane eziningi ngoba sibanengi khona phela inini amalayini ayakwana yabona 5 wonke sinatha mthombo munye.
Okay, thanks.
Njalo amanzi akhona aqina aseqinile ayaphela.
Alright.
Silinde okwamahola asikompe 4 amane lokhu silindele ukuthi agobhoze.
Okay, so he is saying you have to wake up early. Even if you wake up early, the water is very little to supply everyone, and therefore they have to wait for some 2 to 3 hours in order for water to come out as well. So he is also appealing to well-wishers to help in any form, but the most possible one is drilling a borehole here, which can actually supply the whole community. He is also talking about a large influx of people coming here from as far as Mangwandi as well. So there is need for a more reliable and clean water source in this area. Thank you very much. So we're talking to an elderly man here about the situation in here. There are also young children. So see, now it's around 7 a.m. in the morning. During the day, like 12 midday, you'll experience in this area. There will be an influx of livestock, including donkeys, which will also drink their water here. So the community is actually appealing for a bore which can be drilled inside here or just outside here, so that it can sustain everyone in this community, whereby about 200 families rely on this area. We chose this area because it is central for everyone. It's accessible for everyone, and the water, it's easily accessible than other areas, which is very, very dry. So thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.